Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Chris, and today Joe is going to show you how to change the engine air filter on your 2018 GMC Sierra.
First thing what you want to do is pop the hood. You have the lever right underneath the steering wheel, all the way at the bottom. From here, lift up. Should feel the release. Slip it up.
So the release goes left to right. Yep, and the hood holds itself up.
On this one, this is a 5.3 engine.
5.3 liter V8. And we're going to be replacing it with this Fram filter. Link in the description to this video below. We also have a couple other options for you there as well. Be sure to check those out because they do go a long way to help out this channel.
So here's your air filter compartment. What you want to do is release the sensor, flip up that red, give it a little wiggle out. Like that. Now simply just get the longest flathead screwdriver you have. You want to undo the clamp.
Loosen that up.
Loosen that up. And then on the compartment itself, you're going to have 4 screws. You got one right here.
Yep.
One down here, which is why you need that long flathead.
Got it.
One over here.
Yep.
And one here. So I'm going to slip this accordion off. As so.
Cool.
And I'm going to start loosening.
Now, do the screws actually come out or they just stay there?
They come out.
So be sure to put those off to the side and do not lose them. They're important.
This one's the hardest one. I go in between the hose and I think that's the AC.
All right, that's 4. We got them all out. Now you can take that top right off. That clears everything. And you can take the filter right out. Let's see how dirty that was.
Not too bad. I've got over 10,000 miles on this thing, definitely.
So we got our new filter. So here's your comparison shot. New versus old. What'd you say, about 10,000 miles?
Definitely over 10,000.
Mostly highway though, right?
Mostly highway.
Mostly highway. Okay, let's get that new one in. So face down with the filters. You want the mesh on the top. That's really important because you got the rubber seal all the way on the outside.
Just reverse the process.
Yep. Take your time with this. Make sure you got everything lined up properly. That looks like it's all snugged up there.
Yep, I do a little wiggle.
Okay, we'll wiggle. All right, get them back in. Okay. You do that hard one last, right?
Do the hard one last, yeah.
Okay. So you put them in loose, right? You do all 4 loose and then you snug them up?
Yes.
Right, instead of snugging one up by itself because you want that seal on the air filter to even out. I keep forgetting you're a lefty, so that looks so awkward for me. All right, we got 2 in there. Working on that 3rd one. All right, and the 4th one is going up next. And that is tucked all the way down there. So yeah, it's always good to get these fasteners hand started so you're not stripping any threads.
This one I'm going to tighten up all the way.
Okay, so you're tightening this one up all the way. So it's just a snug them up. It's not an over tighten thing. It's make sure it's nice and snug. That's one. You want to do the cross.
Crisscross.
Yep. Then it's this one. And then this other one over here last. Now reconnect accordion inlet here with the hose clamp, snug that up as well. Again, you don't want to really over tighten these things because you're dealing with a plastic part. So it's snug it up and then that's it. There you go. And lastly, connect your sensor wire.
Make sure you hear the click. Lock it in.
And that's it, YouTube. I hope this video helped you out. Feel free to check out any of our other GMC Sierra maintenance videos. We'll have them linked in the description below, along with where you can get this filter. Again, goes a long way to help out this channel if you order the air filter via the Amazon affiliate link below. Thanks for watching, and Joe and I will catch you in the next one.